Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Our potential within. Our tests and trials are self-imposed for us to unleash our full potential and greatness. They're meant to smooth the rough edges and get rid of the dark places. You may not see it yet, but one day you'll see how it all came together for you. Your growth and the evolution of humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday, right now. I am grateful for a new product I got for my computer. I'm grateful for a thing that happened on the internet for me. And I'm very grateful for the time I got to spend with my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.